Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the E2 error code on your portable dishwasher, you're in the right place. This pesky error can halt your cleaning routine, but don't worry, I'll break it down step by step, so you can get your dishwasher running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First off, what does the E2 error mean? In most portable dishwashers, especially newer 2025 models, the E2 code typically signals a problem with water drainage. It means your machine isn't draining properly, which could lead to water buildup and potential damage if ignored. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The E2 error often stems from a clogged or kinked drain hose, which prevents water from exiting the dishwasher. Other culprits include a faulty pump, debris blocking the filter, or even an issue with the sink's drain connection. In some cases, it might be due to low water pressure or a malfunctioning float switch. Alright, time for the fixes. Start by unplugging your dishwasher and turning off the water supply for safety. First, check the drain hose, make sure it's not twisted or bent, and clear any visible blockages. If it's clogged, use a pipe cleaner or a small brush to remove debris. Next, inspect the filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. Give it a thorough clean under running water. Once that's done, reassemble everything and plug it back in. Try running a test cycle to see if the error clears. If the E2 code persists, reset your dishwasher by holding the power button for about 10 seconds or following your model's manual. For more stubborn issues, like a defective pump, you might need to call a professional technician. Remember, always wear gloves when handling parts to avoid injury. There you have it. Simple steps to banish that E2 error for good. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay handy.